Hello everyone. Very good evening and welcome to the session. So today we are going to do the most important video. Okay. So TS government has released one new practice paper for you, Abyasa Deepika, which it is there since 2 years, but this year they have released it again. Some additions were there, some deletions were there. So it is according to your new syllabus now. Okay, so Abhyasa Deepika, the most important questions which you need to prepare to score very good marks in your board exams are here. So my first priority is to discuss with you the previous year questions which I have done. Along with the previous year questions, I will discuss objective questions because 20 marks are there only for objective questions, and then also we are going to discuss Abhyasa Deepika because Abhyasa Deepika is like a model paper for us. For every chapter, the most important questions are given in Abhyasa Deepika. So only questions are given, no solutions are not given. So if you sit to solve the questions alone, some may feel it interesting, some may feel it difficult because not the answers, not even the final answer is there to cross check and verify. So we are going to discuss each and every question of Abhyasa Deepika in a very short and sweet manner. So all I need is complete attention from you. Okay, so let's begin the session now. See, in this session we are going to discuss the objective part of Abhyasa Deepika. Okay, so I'm discussing the objective part right now. So I need concentration from you. So see the first question. The sum of natural number from 1 to 100. So you need to find the sum of the natural number from 1 to 100. So from 1 to 100. So from here, from this series, I can see very clearly first term is 1, last term is 100, and common difference between every number is simple 1. Sum of 100 natural numbers is nothing but n by 2 into first term plus last term. So n is 100 here, 100 numbers are there. So 100 by 2 into first term is 1, last term is 100. So that is equals to 100 by 2 is 50 into 101. So from this you can get the answer. So it will be 5050. Okay, so where is the answer? Option D. So Abhyasa Deepika questions will definitely help you a lot. So the one who is preparing Abyasa Deepika will definitely have an edge. So do prepare well. The next question, if x minus 1, x plus 3, 3x minus 1 are in AP, then x is equal to what? So x minus 1, x plus 3 and 3x minus 1. These are in AP. Then x is equal to what? So when they are in AP, you know that, see here. When these numbers are in AP, you can take this as A1, first term, second term, third term. So you know that A2 minus A1 is equals to A3 minus A2, yes or no? The difference between the successive term minus the preceding term is always equal. So A2 is x plus 3 minus A1 is x minus 1 is equals to A3 is 3x minus 1 minus A2 is x plus 3. So x plus 3 minus x plus 1 is equals to 3x minus 1 minus x minus 3. So plus x minus x cancel here. 3 plus 1 is 4 is equal to 3x minus x is 2x minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4. Now take 4 to the other side. So you will have 2x is equal to 4 plus 4, 8. X is equal to 4. Clear? So x is equal to 4. So where is x equal to 4? Option D. You people solve along with me and then check your answers. Okay, if you don't know the concept, then you can, see. If you know, then pause the video, solve it, and then play the video. Okay, which term of the AP? The AP given is 125, 120, 115, so on. Which term is negative? So I want a term which is negative here. Okay, always remember whenever they are asking which term it is, they are asking you n value. Okay, so which term is negative? See here, this is A1, A2, A3, so on. This is nothing but AN. This is nothing but AN. This is first term, second term, third term, so on. This is nth term. So are you able to understand the difference? A1 is different, A2, A3, and what we want is an value should be negative and n value you need to find out. Okay, so now just see here. Yes. Now see, so I have A value, first term as 125. Common difference is nothing but A2 minus A1. So 120 minus 125 is minus 5. And I want AN to be negative. Negative means less than 0. Understood? So, if AN should be less than 0, so A plus AN is nothing but A plus N minus 1 into D should be less than 0. So, A is 125 plus N minus 1. N value, do we know? We don't know. That is what we need to find into D. D is minus 5. This should be less than 0. Now both sides if I subtract, see, n minus 1 into minus 5 should be less than 125. Sorry, minus 125. Okay, how did I get this step? See, I'll write one more step elaboratively, clearly. Just see here. I have 125 plus n minus 1 into minus 5 less than 0. So, see, I need to subtract 125 from this so that this 125 gets cancelled. So, n minus 1 into minus 5 is less than minus 125. 0 minus 125. Now, see here, both sides you have this. So, n minus 1 is less than minus 125 by minus 5. So, to remove this minus 5, I need to divide by minus 5 on both the sides. So, dividing by minus 5 on LHS, see, minus 5 divided by minus 5 will become 1. So, n minus 1 is remaining here. So, minus minus cancel, 5 ones are 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. So, n minus 1 less than 25, n minus 1 less than 25 means n should be less than 26. One second, here I think sign. So here, where it has gone, see here. Yes, children, now see here. So if n minus 1 into minus 5 is less than minus 125, when you are transposing minus 5, okay, so the sign will change to greater than. Okay, so n should be greater than 26. N greater than 26 means the first value greater than 26 is 27. So n equal to 27 is the first negative term. You can always check. How will you check this? How will you check this? See, you will find an. So A27 you find, you will get answer less than 0. Negative value you will get. A26 will be positive value, the last positive value, and this will be the first negative value. So once you see here, let's check and see. A27 is nothing but A plus 26D. So A is 125 plus 26 into D is minus 5. So 125 plus, how much is this? 30 minus 130. So see, minus 5 you are getting. So here A26 term will be 125 plus 25 into minus 5. So 125 minus 125, this will be 0. So 0 neither positive nor negative. But here A27 is the first negative term. So this is how you can check it in the rough work column. But for objective question, this much of solving is not necessary. So I'm not expecting this question to come in objective type. But still you learn it. Okay, you may get it for a 2 marker or 4 marker anyways. So see here once, because here sign changing is important. So see here. So whenever people remember this golden rule, I will give you the golden rule now. Whenever you are adding anything on both sides of the inequality, so what we are doing here is called inequality. Okay, equal symbol is not there, less than or greater than symbol is there, which means these are called inequalities. So whenever you are doing these questions, if you are adding then or subtract, if you are adding then inequality will remain same. Okay, if you are multiplying with a positive number, inequality will remain same. If you are dividing with a positive number, inequality will remain same. For example, I have 5 less than 3. If I add 5 plus 2, 5 plus 2 will be less than 3 plus 2. 5 into 2 will be less than 3 into 2. Able to understand? 5 by 2 will be less than 3 by 2. 5 by 2 is 2.5. 3 by 2 means 1.6 something. Are you able to understand? So whenever any positive values you are doing on both the sides, inequality remains the same. Less than will remain less than only. If it is greater than, it will remain greater than only. But for example, if I do it with negative sign, okay. So see, 5 by, if I do minus 2, and I have 3 by minus 2. Instead of 2, I am taking minus 2. So this will be minus 2.5 and this will be minus 1.6. So the sign will change now. Sign will change now. Yes. So sign will become, see, 2.5 will be less than 1.6. My brain has stopped working, I think. I wrote 5 less than 3. 5 is greater than 3, no? Very sorry. 5 is greater than 3. So 5 plus 2 is also greater than 3 plus 2. 5 into 2 also greater than 3 into 2. 5 by 2 also greater than 3 by 2. 5 by 2 means 2.5 greater than 3 by 2 means 1.6. So if I am same number, if I am subtracting with a, see, dividing with a negative number, this will not become the same. 5 is greater than 3, but 5 by minus 2 will be less than 3 by minus 2. Okay, so when minus sign is coming, it will change. Here also see, I divided this by minus 5. So when minus sign was coming, it will change. Okay, so that is why inequality changed. Less than became greater than. Are you able to understand now? See the next question. So in this video, 12 objective questions are there that we are discussing. Then essay question, short, very short, all together. There are few questions. I will do it a separate video. Okay. So see here, the next one. Please do share the videos also with all your friends. All those who are watching the channel regularly, do support the channel. Okay. So A26 minus A25 is 15. Then the common difference of the AP is such a easy question. This is actual part B question. Who will tell me the answer? We know that successive term minus the preceding term is common difference. See, A2 minus A1 or A3 minus A2. Similarly, A26 minus A25. A26 if it is here, A25 will be here. So, subtraction of these two terms will give me what? Common difference. So, it is given 15. So, directly common difference is 15. Here what was the answer? 27. Okay. See the next one. How many numbers are divisible by 4 lying between 101 and 250? So yesterday I have completed this model. 101 you will divide by 4. So 4 2s are 8. You have 21. 4 5s are 20. So 1 is remaining. So subtracting 1. Okay. 100 is divisible by 4. After 100. 100 plus 4 means 104 is divisible by 4. Next number. So 101 is between 101 and 250. So I will start my series with 104. Okay, so my series should start with 104. Next will be 108 and so on. Check 250, is it divisible by 4? Check it. 250. If I divide by 4, 4 6 are 24. 104 2s are 8 and I am having 2. So 250 minus 2 is 248. So 248 is divisible by 4. So my AP which is divisible by 4 is 108, 104, 108 so on 248. I need to find how many numbers are divisible by 4. How many are divisible by 4? See, I will tell you the long method also and the short method also. Okay, so basically short method here, it is not starting from 0. If it is starting from 0, then short method is, very easy. But see here, what you can do is A is 104. First term is 104. Common difference is 4. Last term is 248. Last term matlab AN is 248. Okay. So AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN is 248 is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D is 4. So 104, take it to the other side. So 248 minus 104 is n minus 1 into 4. So how much are you getting here? 4, 4, 144 equal to n minus 1 into 4. Now n minus 1 will be 144 divided by 4. We have done this model many times in yesterday's session also. So 4 3s are 12. You will have a 2, 4 6 are 24. So n minus 1 is 36, n equal to 37. So how many terms are there? 37. This is one method. Other method is when you are dividing 248 by 4. See what is you are getting? 6 are 24, 8, 2s are 8. So 62 numbers are there. Okay, 62 numbers are there which are divisible by 4. Now 104, if I divide by 4, 1s are 4, 2s are 8, 2, 4, 6. Okay, so 26 numbers are there which are divisible by 4. So before 104, there are 26 numbers divisible. After 104, there are 62 numbers divisible. So if you subtract these two also, you should get the answer. Okay, but remember 104 is common. Okay, so don't take it twice. Okay, so one time you will have to remove this 104. So that is the trick. This trick is looks simple when you know number starting from 1 to 250. If they ask a question like this, number starting from 1 to 250, simply divide by 4 and total number you can take. Total quotient will be the total numbers. Okay, but here they are starting from 101. So before numbers, these 26 numbers you will have to remove. 25 actually. Okay, 25 you will have to remove. Understood? 25, if you remove 62 minus 25, you will get the answer. Is it clear, people? Everyone? Any doubt here? Okay. So proceeding to the next question. Question number 6. The sum of 15 terms of the AP. Okay, how many terms? 15 terms. So n is 15. What is the AP given? 4, 7, 10. So first term is 4. Common difference will be 7 minus 4. Plus 3 only. Okay, so the sum of 15 terms. S15 I want. S15 means what is the formula? Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So S15 means 15 by 2 into 2a plus 15 minus 1 into d is 3. So 15 by 2 into 2 into 4 is 8 plus 14 into 3. So this is 15 by 2 into 8 plus, how much is this? Is 4 3s are 12, 42. So this is nothing but 15 by 2 into 50. So 15 into 25. So please write the final answer and take the correct option. Okay? Easy. So the next question. In the AP, 1 minus 1 minus 2 minus 5, then D is what? Then D is what? So AP is given 1 minus 1 minus 2 minus 5. What is D? Second term minus first term, or third term minus second term, or fourth term minus third term. Anything will give you D. So minus 1 minus 1 plus 1, no? Minus 1 minus 1. So minus 2. But one second, let us check if this is an AP or not. If I take minus 5 minus 2. So minus 5 plus 2. I'm getting minus 3 here. That's what I thought. Okay, so if I take these two, minus 2 minus 1. So minus 2 plus 1 minus 1. So here in the AP, then D will be equal to what? Actually here D we are not getting the same D. Common difference we are not getting same. Common difference should be same. So minus 1 is minus 2 here. Minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. Minus 5 plus 2 is minus 3. Here I think there is a mistake in this question. Common difference should be the same. So I find here it is not same. So this question, there is some mistake in the question. If you only take, if you, I mean, I got it out, so I am checking. But usually what the examiner wants you to do is, if in the exam paper, if you have any question like this where you have a doubt also, don't go with that. Just check these two. So minus 1 is minus 2. Directly you'll get the option. But the question framing is wrong. These two terms should not be given like this. Okay. So what should be the terms then? Can you tell me? If this is 1 minus 1. Next should be minus 1 minus 2. So minus 3 should come here. Then minus 3 minus 2. So minus 5 will come. Okay. So that means this should be minus 3 actually. So print mistake or typing mistake, something, Abyasa Deepika. So no problem. But you understood the concept now? Yes. If in an AP, A1 is 4. So first term is minus 4. Sixth term is 6. Sixth term means A plus 5D is 6. But A is minus 4. So substitute. So 5D is 6. Taking minus 4 to the other side becomes plus 4. So 5D is 10. So D is simple 2. If D is 2, now A2 I want. A2 means A plus D simple. So A is 6. Sorry, A is minus 4, isn't it? A is minus 4, D is 2, so second term is minus 2, option D. Okay. 17th term of the AP, 1.1, 2.2, 3.3, so on. 17th, first term is 1.1, common difference is 2.2 minus 1.1, 1.1 again. Okay. So 17th term means A17, A17 means A plus 16D. 1 less than 17, 16D. So that is equal to A is 1.1 plus 16 into D is 1.1. So 1.1 plus how much is this 16 into 11? 16 into 11, 16, 16, 176. So 1.76 it is. No. 17.6 it is. 17.6. So how much are you getting here? 7, 18.7? Yes, answer is there. Chalo, next one. Which term of the AP? People, you should do the questions along with me. Simply seeing the questions will not help you. Which term is 0? Okay, that means AN is 0. N I should find. A is 100. First term 100. Common difference is 90 minus 100. It is minus 10. Understood? So which term is 0? How will I know? So AN should be 0. AN means A plus N minus 1 into D should be 0. So A is 100 plus N minus 1 into D is how much? D is minus 10 is 0. So how much am I getting? 100 minus 10N plus 10 is 0. So 10N if I take to the other side it will become plus 10N equal to 10 plus 100 is 110. So N equal to 0, 0 cancel. 110 divided by 0, 0, 0 cancel. N equal to 11. So 11th term will be 0. Clear? Next question. Find the common ratio. Find the common ratio of the term of the GP. How will I get the common ratio? Simply second divided by first. Common ratio is second divided by first. See in the next question. Find the sixth term. First term is 5 from the GP. Common ratio is 1 by 5. Second by first. 1 by 5. Sixth term means A6. We know AN is A into R power n minus 1. So A6 is 6 into R. Here this is R. No, sorry, I wrote D. Common ratio. So R power 6 minus 1. So 6 into 1 by 5 whole power 5. 6 into 1 by 5 whole power 5 is 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. 5 5 is a 25, 5 5 is a 25. So 25 into 25 into 5 you have in between. 25 into 25 is 625 into 5. So how much is this 625 into 5? 1 second, 1 second. And the first term is what? A is 5. No, I substituted 6 here. I'm sorry. A is 5 here. Right. So if A is 5, this is 5 power 5. So 5 power 5 is 625 into 5. I'm writing it directly like this only because I can cancel 5 and 5. So it is 1 by 625. Option D. So most of the questions here in this chapter, I think option D was only correct, isn't it? So from here you have a short answer, long answers and all. So we will do these short answers in the next class. Okay. So for now, I discussed all the part B questions given from Abhyasa Deepika. Okay. So these questions are super important. So I hope you all had a wonderful session. In very short time, I am trying to cover most of the questions possible. Okay, so I just need 100% concentration from you also, and you also please practice all these questions once. And from my side, what I'll do is I will prepare a test for you, okay, with the part B questions of progression, because I completed short, long and part B also. So you will have the test tomorrow evening. So tomorrow I'll complete Abyasa Deepika remaining questions of progressions also, and you will have the test in Math Facilitator website. Website link is given in the description of the video, so do check it out. And also there are few other tests which I already conducted. So those who did not write the test, please do write the test so that you can check your understanding. Okay, and do write the test and the questions from the test. If you feel any difficulty in the question, we shall discuss them all as well. Okay, so for today I'll take a leave for now, and I'll see you all in the next class. But don't forget to subscribe to the channel, because lot many important videos, whichever is important. I know I'm not regular, but whenever you need me, I'll definitely be there. So do subscribe, do like the video, share it with all your friends as well, and do comment, because your comments gives me a lot of motivation. So I'll see you all in the next class. Bye bye, take care and keep practicing.